In this video, you will see how to build Chrome extension or browser extension using Vite. So I open my directory in command line, then VS Code, and then I put the basic file for extension. Okay, then I will ask GitHub copilot for basic structure of manifest. First for extension, and you can see we don't have any icon. We'll do this one and don't need any have content script and javascript. This will be okay. I can now initiate the npm, and okay, we have our package file. Now we'll install Vite. Okay, that's done, and now we'll install the plugins to make the build. So this npm install crx this plugin. Okay, now you can see we have our plugin here and the Vite, and now we'll add a command like build. This will do build, and we'll create our Vite config file. Config says we can ask our copilot to make the basic. Okay, so write the basic Vite config. I have it now, and we'll import our manifest from manifest, and we also need the crx from the crx plugin, crx Vite plugin. And now we'll change these two plugins, and this will be an array, and here we'll pass the crx plugin, and inside we'll pass the manifest file. Now maybe we are ready to run our command build it. Let's see, build. Okay, as you can see, we got our destination folder here, and we have our manifest and also our bundled file. Like we don't have anything, so you can ask copilot, right? So programming around 50 line, and we'll again run our bold program, bold command, bold. Then as you can see, our code has been successfully bundled. So this way you can bold your browser extension easily. So thank you for watching the video. See you next time.